everyone. My name is Jerry Bond. I'm an industrial hygienist with PreVasive USA. I've been asked to explain the process you would use to do a mitigation in a building for mold mitigation and just a good cleanup from flood or storm. And I'm going to explain that today of how we have done it for many years and how these botanical products are very effective at doing that. When we're doing a project that has a lot of water damage, we'll follow the RC standards. We'll get everything ready, and then these are the products that we use. When we're wanting to bleach the wood really quickly, but we want to leave a residual of silver and zinc that'll keep retarding mold for a long time and get that wow effect immediately, we'll use our Botanical HP. It's much gentler on you than other chlorine products. It does have some whole plant botanical surfactants and a registered silver ion in it and zinc, so it leaves a great residual behind, and it's much easier to use than conventional chlorines. Then we have, if you want to use a peroxide base, we have Oxy Orange, which is a really strong peroxide base product that has highly refined oil in it from citrus. So it's a really good degreasing peroxide based cleaner. It takes a little bit longer to get the result that you would from the Botanical HP. So you really have to decide which one of those you want to use. But after either one of these on wood surfaces, we always come back with WASP because it has a minimum of 5-year residual on these wood surfaces. And we tested it exterior on concrete and have gotten 27 months, same thing on wood fences and that sort of thing. So after we've done this in the buildings, and this is used on WASP is going to be used on. You'll find many uses for WASP. You just have to learn and experiment and play with it. We get a new use for it every day. It is a glycerin base, whole plant botanical product. So you obviously don't use it on finished surfaces like painted surfaces or anything like that. Cleans up with water. Everything cleans up with water. Then we have our BAC, which is a 0.23% active botanical product. It is since it's whole plant botanical, it has all of the micro and terpenes and terpenoids, secondary metabolites that you would find in the whole plant. So it's an awesome antimicrobial product. And whenever we're doing these projects, one of the things that we do is we will fog at the end because the micronized molecules in this surrounds the mold and they permeabilize it and pretty much dissolve it away so that you get really good clearances on those spore traps. And one of the things that we've learned to do additionally is when we're on a project, we take our enzymatic deodorizer and we'll pour it down the drains. Obviously it eats organics, so we'll put that around in drains, or we'll even put it on our air scrubbers sometimes. But it has a great refreshing fragrance, as well as the Oxy Orange does too. We'd like to thank you for listening in again today and learning about PreVasive products.